Welcome to Team Essentially Healed Training. Tonight, we are going to talk about your health goals and how essential oils can help with those goals. So I am Joni Zander. I am your trainer for tonight. I'm also a full-time traveler, a business coach, an energy healer, a mom, a wellness advocate, an essential oil user, and a team leader. What are your health goals?
I think at this time of year, immunity is one of the top ones.
So would you guys say that better sleep, less stress, more energy, easier breathing, slow aging, ideal weight, and more exercise and feeling better are some pretty common health goals for folks?
I'd say they all are.
Yeah. I'm going to just share with you a little bit about what doTERRA is. So doTERRA is the world's largest essential oil company, and we work with people to use natural solutions in their everyday life. People turn to doTERRA when they want to have natural health solutions that really work when they need them. They also turn to doTERRA when their current approach to health isn't achieving the results that they're hoping for. They want a clean home without exposure to toxic chemicals. They're confused by all the natural options out there and they never have time to research. Or maybe they want more energy without stimulants, or they want to increase their overall quality of life, or all of the above. We offer a full line of essential oil kits to support your health goals, whatever they are. doTERRA is the leader in the essential oil industry because we don't use any fillers or artificial or synthetic ingredients. The plants are grown in their ideal environments, and the oils go through multiple third-party testing to ensure purity and potency. This means that when you use doTERRA products, you can be assured that you will see the highest health benefits. If you don't like it and return it within 30 days, you'll get 100% product credit to try something else, or 90% returned back to your card. The essential oils are extracts from plants. They're found in the seeds, bark, stems, roots, flowers, and other parts of plants. They are highly concentrated, so just remember that less is more. So when you're using essential oils, you want to use a little bit over time rather than using a whole bunch at one time. And just keep in mind that they are 50 to 70 times more powerful than herbs. And so 1 drop of peppermint oil is equal to about 28 cups of peppermint tea. There's 3 different ways to use essential oils. You can use them aromatically, so you can inhale or use a diffuser. Just keep in mind that what you breathe affects your mood immediately. It also cleans the air and supports your breathing. You can also use them topically. Remember, they're powerful, so 1 drop of essential oil can service every cell in your body. From the bottom of the feet, it nourishes your bloodstream within 30 seconds. You can apply essential oils to your feet, your ears, the outside of your ears, your chest, back of neck, head, and any other troubled areas. And you want to dilute, if your skin is sensitive, with fractionated coconut oil. And then the third way to use essential oils is internally, and this is specific to the quality of essential oils that doTERRA provides. And so you can add a drop to water, or put a drop under your tongue, or put it in a capsule. And this nourishes the whole body, including the digestive system, the mouth, throat, liver, and urogenital tract. So some safety tips. So you want to keep them out of the eyes, the ears, the nose, both eyes, and other sensitive areas. Dilute with fractionated coconut oil, not water. Water will actually intensify it. So if you are finding some sensitivity, use either fractionated coconut oil or any other kitchen oil if you don't happen to have fractionated coconut oil. Use internally only if the bottle has a supplement facts box on it. And use only glass or stainless steel drinking vessels when adding it to water. This little chart over here is what you can see on the packages of the kits. A stands for aromatically, T stands for topically, and I stands for internally. For the topical use, we have the skin sensitivity little icons. N for neat, which means that you generally don't need to dilute it. S means to dilute it for young or very old or sensitive skin. And D means dilute before using it topically, because there are a lot of oils that are pretty hot to the skin. Let's just go through the 10 most common basic oils. These are the oils that I really cannot imagine not being in my life. So starting off with lemon. Lemon is going to be one that you're going to use to have more energy, or if you have little people visit your house and they put stickers on something, the lemon oil is what you're going to use to get that the stickers off of your glass. Lavender is great for helping you sleep better, among many, many things. Peppermint is an effective oil if your breathing is stuffed up. Lots of different ways that you can use the peppermint. And the three together, the lemon, lavender, and peppermint, are also good for the stuffy nose and itchy eyes associated with spring. Melaleuca is one that you're going to reach for if, let's say you're out and about and you get a little scrape. You can put the Melaleuca on that little scrape and good to go from there. Oregano is one that you're probably not going to use all the time, but you will reach for it when people around you are really getting sick. We call frankincense kind of a jack of all trades. It is the one to reach for, usually in conjunction with other oils. It will intensify other oils and help them be more effective. It's also very grounding and very calming. Digest Zen is what you'll reach for if you've eaten too much of anything. So is anybody else guilty of eating a whole box of Thin Mint Girl Scout cookies in one sitting? Or a whole bag of potato chips, or any of those things, or maybe, we're all Americans here, so maybe that Thanksgiving dinner and you just kind of regret having overeaten. Digest Zen is what you're going to reach for in those situations, and just think about it as Zen for the stomach. If you are wanting more energy and you're wanting to exercise more, you might want to use Breathe to help you get up and going and motivate you to start your workout. Deep Blue, on the other end of that workout, is really good for when you've started doing some activity and you all of a sudden find some muscles that you didn't know existed. You can put some Deep Blue on those muscles and calm those down and help them feel a little better. And then lastly, On Guard. So this is the one that you're going to use when you want to make sure that that creeping crud does not catch you. This is one that I actually use at least twice a day. So I put it under my tongue morning and night. It is a little bit spicy because it has clove and cinnamon in it, and so you could also just put it on the bottoms of your feet. It's probably the one that I use the most. Now I'm going to go over our two most popular kits. The first kit is the Home Essentials kit, and it has the 10 oils that we just talked about in 250 drop bottles, except for the Deep Blue, which comes in a 70 drop bottle. It also comes with an awesome diffuser, and it's $2.75. Our next most popular kit is our Family Essentials kit, and it comes with all of the 10 oils that we just talked about in 70 drop bottles. It also has beadlets in peppermint and in On Guard to carry with you that are about the size of a lipstick, and it is $150. And right now we have a few more days of the New Year, New You program. This is something that doTERRA does every January and February. If you set up a wholesale account in the next 3 days before March 5th, and it is at least 100 PV, so either of the kits that we just talked about, and you set up a 100 PV order for next month, you're going to get $100 worth of free oils when you enroll using this code, FebCardVZS. I acknowledge that this stuff can be confusing, so contact the person who invited you to walk through this by taking advantage of this incentive. We are committed on our team to helping you get the most out of your account. Thank you so much for your time and attention. I have put my contact information on this screen in case you need to reach out. And I just really hope that you reach out if you have any questions about what you've learned.